This gave me hell, okay? Looking at all the different sources for the brackets, this is how they're essentially supposed to go. This is the passenger side. So this one, of course, the box slides up in that area. You got your biggest bolt holding it together with the sleeve in there in the box. With this sharper elbow here, it goes right up against it. And then the middle one is for your new location for your upper control arm. This goes to the old location of the upper arm, and you're supposed to use the smaller bolt up here with the sleeve inside. Then we've got this. Now I'm not gonna. I know I'm gonna wrench this down and squeeze it, but I don't think I can squeeze the box a 1/4 inch. I mean, that's I might have to go get more washers or new sleeves. I don't know. Our alignment shoe is going to pop out of there, put the nuts on the other side. So this is essentially how it goes together, and everything reversed for the driver's side.
3 hours later.
I am jacked up, holding the body up. The tires are hitting the ground, but just enough just to sit, you know. Right after I jacked it up, I put a strap on it here, just kind of up to the bumper here. And it just kind of holds it, you know. I'm still working on putting it all together, tightening up the bolts, but it's just loosely hand tight in there. And you can see I used just about every tool I had here. We got standard, we got metric, we got a handful of wrenches, same standard metric. This gave me a lot of trouble, just sliding this guy up in there. And the other one on the other side, we're all like tweaked sideways, and you can kind of see that here with the alignment shoe. It's not exactly straight. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like it's kind of cocked to one side. It's all twisted. When it comes to the upper bolts, for the upper arm bolts, this one and then the upper over there, this one is a T50. Yeah, T50. And on both of these, I ran right to the hardware store and picked up some brand new grade 8 bolts and put those in. Nice standard. Back on the ground again. We got all the arms in. And the brackets are both in too. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little bit of air in between, a little bit of a gap. And right over here, I don't want to over tighten it here because then strip them out. I'm thinking later I'm going to come back, maybe grind this down or something and put in a like a plate. That way I can get a much more secure, you know, anchor point. Same thing with the passenger side. You can see over there a little bit of air. I guess that's what you get for getting the cheap stuff. See a little crack in between there? Yeah, I'm gonna fix all that up. But right now it's all slapped together. It's good to go. Probably drive around the block a few times to see how it handles.
The next day.
Well, shit. Now it won't start. Dead battery. You know, it's always something, right? Well, got all my stuff in, so guess I'll have to let you know how it drives once I finally get it started. Part 3, I'll give you all the exact numbers, degrees. We'll do all the caster calculations and stuff. Honestly, it looks better, I think. Is the differential supposed to be like slightly tilted forward? Is that right? I hope so. If not, I can adjust everything now with all the arms. Yay. Okay. Almost forgot. All right.